Welcome to Big Ass Fans Technical Support. We're here to help.
Fan noises can be among some of the most difficult issues to diagnose. So today we're going to talk about the 4 most common types of noises and what to do if your fan is making an unusual noise. The first step will be to identify which fan you have, as troubleshooting the noise will depend on the hardware of the fan itself. If you have a large industrial fan, it will be part of the Powerfoil X family of fans, a Powerfoil D, a Powerfoil 8, or a Basic 6. If you have a commercial fan, it will be either an Essence fan or a Pivot fan. The most common noise complaints fall into one of the following 4 categories. Frequency noise, which usually requires a parameter adjustment. Grinding or scraping, which is most often caused by bad motor bearing. Popping, clicking, or rattling, usually caused by loose hardware. Or high-pitched rubbing, generally caused by the static tube contacting the hub of the fan. For accurate troubleshooting and resolution of your issue, please take a 10 to 15 second video of your fan and provide a model and serial number for the affected unit to Big Ass Fans Tech Support, and we will be happy to assist with the issue.
Still having trouble? Fill out a support form on our website at bigassfans.com/support/form.